Welcome to Programmers.App, your ultimate destination for everything coding, whether you're just starting your journey or you're an experienced programmer looking to level up. At Programmers.App, we're here to make coding accessible, exciting, and efficient for everyone. Here's what you'll find on this channel. For aspiring developers, we break down the software development process into simple steps. Design and prototyping. Coding with low-code or no-code tools. Testing and deploying your projects. Our video guides will show you how to create amazing applications, websites, mobile apps, and even games, with tools so intuitive, you'll be building impressive projects in no time. And for experienced developers, we've got something for you too. Reviews of the latest AI-powered coding tools. Tutorials for back-end, front-end, and full-stack development. Expert tips to help you build powerful apps with less effort. Plus, we explore must-know repos and projects to sharpen your skills. Community events for programmers. Cost and feature comparisons of AI models to help you choose the best tools for your workflow. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned coder, this channel will empower you to code smarter, not harder. Ready to transform your coding journey? Subscribe now and click the links below to access incredible resources, including our official website, Programmers.App. It's time to create, innovate, and build the future. We can't wait to see what you'll make.